Dear student, today I will solve remaining question of exercise 3.2. Question number 17. If given matrix of element 3, minus 2, 4, minus 2 and I is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, find value of k so that a square is equal to k a minus 2i. Solution of this question given, so matrix given this and I this identity, so that, so given a square is equal to k a minus 2i. A square means a into a is equal to k a minus 2i. So A means a given matrix right here. So 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, and also a 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. So multiply and k and a for given 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 and 2 I for identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. So now solution of, so now taking row and column, multiply first row and first column. So 3 into 3, 3 into 3 plus minus 2 into 4, and also second column taking and first row 3 into minus 2 and plus minus 2 into minus 2, and also 4 second row taking and first column 4 into 3 plus minus 2 into 4, and taking first row and second column 4 into minus 2 and plus minus 2 into minus 2. So this is matrix, and also multiply this. So k 3k minus 2k and 4k minus 2k. So k multiply by each corresponding elements minus 2. So 2, 0, 0, 2. So now write here. So 3 3s are 9 minus 8 and minus 6 plus 4 and 12 minus 8 plus 4, and also so 3, this is subtraction. So 3 minus 3k minus 2 and minus 2k minus 0 and 4k minus 0 minus 2k minus 2. So also write 1 minus 2 and 4 minus 4, and also you can write 3k minus 2 minus 2k 4k minus 2k minus 2. So order of matrix 2 by 2 and 2 by 2. So order of same, corresponding elements are equal. So now we get, since 1 is equal to 3k minus 2, so this is 3k is equal to 1 plus 2, and 3k is equal to 3, therefore k is equal to 3 by 3, 1. So this is 1. Also comparing another element. So minus 2 is equal to minus 2 is equal to minus 2k. So 2k minus 2k is equal to minus 2k is equal to minus 2 divided by minus 2 is equal to 1. So k is equal to 1. So this is k is equal to 1. So any element comparing, so get k is equal to 1. So this is answer of given solution. Question number 18. If A is equal to given matrix of element 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, 0, I is identity matrix of order 2 by 2, any order 2, so that I plus A is equal to I minus A cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. So that solution of this question, so I LHS, so taken I plus A means I for identity, so element 1 0 0 1, and plus A for given matrix 0 minus tan alpha by 2 and tan alpha by 2 0. So addition 2 by 2 matrix and 2 by 2. So corresponding element are added. So 1 plus 0 1 plus 0 and 0 minus tan alpha by 2. So this is plus and minus, and also 0 plus tan alpha by 2 and 1 plus 0. So now matrix I plus A is equal to 1 minus tan alpha by 2 and tan alpha by 2 and 1. So 1 I plus A. So same way in case RHS taking, so I minus A and cos alpha minus sin alpha and sin alpha cos alpha. So I for identity 1 0 0 1 and minus A for given, so 0 minus tan alpha by 2 and tan alpha by 2 and 0. So another, so given cos alpha minus sin alpha and sin alpha cos alpha. So now this here, so 2 by 2 and 2 by 2. So order are same, corresponding element are subtracted. So 1 minus 0, this is 1. So 0 minus minus plus tan alpha by 2, and this is 0 minus tan alpha by 2 and 1 minus 0 1, and also cos alpha minus sin alpha and sin alpha cos alpha. So now subtracted we get this and write here. So multiply both matrix each other. So 2 by 2 and 2 by 2. So get this is, so taking first matrix first row and second matrix first column, we get 1 into cos alpha, 1 into cos alpha and plus, so sin alpha into tan alpha by 2, and also first taking first row and second column, so 1 into minus sin alpha and plus, so tan cos alpha into tan alpha by 2. Also second row taking and first column, we get minus tan alpha by 2 into cos alpha and plus 1 into sin alpha, and also taking second row and second column, we get minus into minus, so minus tan alpha by 2 into minus sin alpha and plus, so 1 into cos alpha, so this is multiple of given matrix. So now again we can write, so cos alpha and plus sin alpha tan alpha, and also minus sin alpha and plus cos alpha into tan alpha, and minus tan alpha cos alpha and plus sin alpha, and also minus minus plus tan alpha by 2 sin alpha plus cos alpha. So this is now we can solve. So this is solution of this matrix. So now we can write cos alpha plus sin alpha into tan alpha by 2. So sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2, and also minus sin alpha plus cos alpha into sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. Also this is tan alpha by 2, so minus sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2 into cos alpha and plus sin alpha. So also we can write sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2 and sin alpha plus cos alpha. So this is matrix. So equal to cos alpha by 2 plus sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2 minus sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by alpha plus sin alpha cos alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2 minus sin alpha cos alpha by 2 plus sin alpha by 2 cos alpha. cos alpha by 2. So sin alpha by 2 plus cos alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. So this is now cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So cos A minus B alpha minus alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. Also sin A cos B plus cos A sin B minus, so this is sin A minus B, so alpha minus alpha by 2 and upon cos alpha by 2. So arrange this, so sin alpha cos alpha by 2 minus sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by alpha, and also so this arrange taking minus, so taking minus, so this is plus and minus, so sin alpha cos alpha, so sin alpha minus alpha by 2, so upon cos alpha by 2 and cos alpha cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, so cos A minus B, so alpha minus alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. So now this is cos alpha by 2, so 2 alpha minus alpha by 2, so upon cos alpha by 2, and this is sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2, so this is minus, so sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2 and cos alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. So this is, so cancel out 1 and this is minus tan alpha by 2 and so tan alpha by 2 and this is 1. So R H S, so this is L H S is equal to R H S. This is proved. Question number 19. A trust fund has 30,000 that must be invested in two different types of bonds. The first bond pay 5% interest per year and second bond pays 7% interest per year. Using multiplication, determine how to divide 30,000 among two types of bond if the fund most obtain an annually total interest 1800. So now solution of this question, solution of this question, let first bond be X rupees and second bond is equal to 30,000 minus X rupees, and annual total interest 1800. So now bond investment bond and rate and annual total interest so investment bond let X and 30,000 minus X. So this is this matrix and rate. So this is first percent, so 5%, and this is 7%. So rate n is equal to total 1800. So this is first row and one row and one row. This is two column and two row and one column and 1 by 1. So multiplication order. So first number of first matrix row 2 and number of second matrix column 2. So both are equal. Matrix multiplication is possible. So now multiply by corresponding each element. So x into 5% plus 30,000 minus x into 7% is equal to 8. So this is 1800. So now 1800. So x into 5 upon 100 and plus 30,000 into 30,000 minus x, 30,000 minus x into 7 upon 100 is equal to 1800. So now we calculate x into 5 upon 100 plus 30,000 minus x 7 upon 100 is equal to 1800. Calculate this 5x plus multiply by 7, 7 3 21, so 0 0 0 0. So this is this minus 7x divided by 100 is equal to 1800. So 5x minus 2x is equal plus 12000 and is equal to 180000. So now minus 2x is equal to 180000. So minus 21000. So 0. So this is, so now minus, so 210000, so 000018, so 0000 minus, so 3, so 30,000, so 30,000, so 30 minus 30,000. So this is minus 2x. So minus x is equal to 30,000 divided by 2, get, so 15,000. So x is equal to 15,000. And so first bond, therefore first bond is 15,000 and second bond is also 30,000 minus 15,000 get 15,000. And also second part of this, so annually interest is equal to 2,000. So now bond and rate and interest. So now bond, so this is x and 30,000 minus x, and also bond 5%, rate and 7%, and total 2,000. So now also multiply by these matrix corresponding elements. So x into 5% plus 30,000 minus x into 7% is equal to 2,000. So 5x upon 100 plus 73, so 21,000 minus 7x divided by 100 is equal to 2,000. So also 5x plus 2100 minus 7x is equal to 2,000. So this is 2,000. So this is 2,000, and minus 2x is equal to 2,000. So minus 2,100. So 2,000. So 2,000. So this is 2,000 to 1 2 3 4 5, and also 0,000. So 2 1. So this is 2,000. So now since, so this is minus 10,000. So 10,000 minus 2x, 10,000. So this is 10,000. So minus cancel out, therefore x is equal to 10,000 divided by 2, so 5,000. So x is equal to 5,000, and first bond 5,000, and second bond is equal to 30,000 minus 5,000 is equal to 25,000. Now question number 20. The bookshop of a particular school has 10 dozen chemistry books, 8 dozen physics book, 10 dozen economics book. Their selling price are 80, 60 and 40 each respectively. Find the total amount bookshop will receive for selling all the books using matrix algebra. So now given number of dozen, number of chemistry book, number of chemistry book. So this is 10 dozen, 10 dozen, since dozen 1 dozen is equal to 12. So this is number of 12. So 10 into 12, so 120. And number of physics books is equal to, this is 8 into 12, 96. And number of economics books is equal to, this is 10 into 12, 120. So 120. So now using matrix multiplication we can solve this. So number of books and number of books, so this is, and number of book and selling price is equal to total price. So number of books, so 120 and 96 and 120. And selling price, so first price 80 per book chemistry 80, and per book physics 60, and per book economics, so this is 40, and total is equal to number of books, total price x. So now 1 into 3 and 3 into 1, so this is multiply, so 8, so this is first row and first column. So 120 multiply by 80 plus 96 multiply by 60 plus 120 multiply by 40, and also this is x. So and also multiply, so 12 8 96 00, and plus 0 6 6 is 36, 6 9 is 54, 54 plus 5, 6 6 is 36, 6 9 is 54, plus 3 57, and plus 12 4 is 20, 48 and 0, this is x. So now add this, so now 9600 and 5760 and 4800, this is 0 and 6 8 7 15, 15 21 and 2 9 14 plus 4 18 to 20. So this is 2160. So this is, and comparing x, so this is x is equal to 20,106 rupees. So this is answer of given total cost of price. That's all. Thank you.